back to the channel. How you guys doing today? As you guys can see, I'm not wearing a hat. I'm rocking the Bold Stallion, son. Missing the top, so I'm showing it off because I don't care. And I finally got my hair cut. So yeah. So going forward with today's episode, guys, we got our 2 boxes from one from Precision Turbo, the other one from Sheepey Manifold. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little unboxing. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera, guys, and we're gonna get these guys out. I've been waiting for this guy for maybe 2-3 months, and we finally received it. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox that one first, and then that one, I sent this one out to Precision, and they rebuilt the turbo for me. It's the same one that was on the RSX. I got it back, and then I gave it to my buddy over there at Exotic Coatings, and he took care of it for me, and I'll show you guys that as well. All right, guys, so we're gonna do the unboxing first for the Sheepey Manifold. So we're gonna go ahead and get this guy open. Let's see what we got in here, man. Oh, wow. Look at this. So we got the dual 38mm wastegates. I went with dual 38s instead of a 60 because I already had them and my turbo was already T4 divided. So this is the manifold, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up so you guys can get a better look. This thing is beautiful. It's all nicely ported on the inside. This thing is gorgeous. Look at the welds. So yeah, guys, got that Sheepey Manifold. And also what we got for the manifold is we have the titanium hardware from Speed Factory. I kind of went ahead and opened them up already, but these go right in here. So hopefully these all fit. Yup, and they do. Hell yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on real quick. And these are Speed Factory titanium studs for the manifold. So yeah, we got the stud kit. So we got all these on. I'll just make sure that they're tight. Just mocking this up for now. Alright, so we got our manifold. And now what I'm gonna do is unbox the turbo. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys the turbo. And like I said earlier, I had sent this out to Precision to get rebuilt. And I sent it out to them because I just wanted to make sure that there was nothing wrong with the turbo. This was the turbo that I ran on the RSX. I dailied the RSX for 2 years. This thing was on there putting in some work. So first thing I wanted to do was send it out. And when I sent it out, they put it in the parts wash and powder coating got fucked up. So I'll go ahead and show you what it looked like before. But now I got the turbo and I sent it to my boy over there at Exotic Coatings, and this is how he gave it back to me. Nice and fresh. He also did a ceramic coating on the hot side, so that way we can keep the engine bay nice and cool. So this is the turbo, guys. So we got a precision 62, 66. And this is what's gonna bring us up to the 600-700 horsepower. So hopefully this works. So another thing I wanted to show you guys is we have the T4 divided. This is the Grim Speed gasket that I always run. It's like a multi-layer. It has like 6 layers, I believe. So I run this. I never have an issue with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. So guys, I had to take 2 of the studs off in order to make the turbo go on. So did that. So now I'm just gonna slap this guy on real quick. Ratchet real quick. We're just gonna throw these little washers on and screws. All right, so I'm gonna have to figure out something for these last 2 bottom bolts, but I just wanted to get that mocked up. So now, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is put this on the car real quick. So we got that, and one more thing. I'm gonna run that OEM exhaust manifold gasket. Cop that one. This is just the door one. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on back here. All right, there we go. And now we're gonna put this guy on. Jeffrey, hold this on this side. The turbo part, yeah, it's kind of heavy. Just hold on.
Got it.
All right, guys, so we got this all done. Got the Sheepey manifold put in, and we also clocked the turbo. So now, intercooler piping should come down through here. Oil return lines at the bottom, and oil feeds at the top, and this just goes right into there. So we are getting there. The only thing is I lost one of these washers, so now I gotta find it. I think the subframe swallowed it, so whenever I find it, that'll be nice. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. That was pretty much it. Just wanted to show you guys the turbo manifold and the turbo. So appreciate all you guys for watching, man. Stay tuned.